Welcome to class 2 math class. We have been doing the unit how much can you carry. In our previous class, we have tried to differentiate objects on the basis of heaviness and lightness. We have known that around us there are some objects which are light and easy to carry. But at the same time, there are some other objects which are very heavy and those objects are very difficult to carry. Again, we have read a very interesting story, a story of a clever donkey and how he failed to play a trick with its owner. Today, let us know about Raju's seesaw riding. Do you know seesaw? Hope you all know it and enjoyed it too. But no one can enjoy seesaw alone. He or she needs a partner. Here in this story, Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. Rani comes to help Raju. So in this story, Raju is unable to play seesaw and that's why Rani comes to help him. But still Raju cannot ride it. But why? Why Raju is unable to play the seesaw? Let us know. Raju is unable to play seesaw because Raju is heavier. Raju is heavier than Rani. On the other hand, we can also say that Rani is lighter. Rani is lighter than Raju, and that's why they are not unable to enjoy seesaw. So we can circle the heavier here. So the sentence will be Raju is heavier than Rani. Now come to the next point. Aslam comes to help them. Look at the picture. This one. Here you can also able to understand that again they have failed to enjoy the game. They have failed to enjoy seesaw. But can you tell why this time they also failed? Let us know. They have failed to enjoy the seesaw because this time Rani and Aslam they become heavier. They become heavier than whom? They become heavier than Raju. On the other hand, we can also say that Raju become lighter. Raju become lighter than Rani and Aslam, and that's where they are unable to enjoy the game. So we can say Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam together. So we can circle this one, lighter. So the sentence will be Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam together. But Raju has an idea. What's the idea? Let us know. I have an idea. Let me keep my bag with me. This time what happened? Now the weight in both the sides are same and they can enjoy the ride. So what they are saying? They are saying that yes, we are all enjoying the ride. Now it's activity time. heavier or lighter? Which of the two things will make the seesaw go down? Look at the example. So there are two objects here. One is heavier and the other one is lighter. As we have already known that it is the heavier object which will make the seesaw go down. So the heavier object, this one, is matched with the side of the seesaw which has gone down. Now it's your turn. Let us read the instruction first. Draw a line to match the heavier one. First of all, we have to identify the heavier one. Which one is heavier? This pitcher or this bottle? Which one is heavier? Certainly this pitcher is heavier than the bottle. Now what we have to do? We have to draw a line. We have to draw a line between the pitcher and the side of the seesaw which has gone down. You can see that this side of the seesaw has gone down. That's why we will draw a line between this pitcher and this side of the seesaw. Again, in the same way, in question number B, we have to first find out the heavier object. Which one is heavier? These two glass or this mug? Certainly this mug is heavier than those two bottles, and that's why we'll draw a line between this mug and this side of the seesaw. Now it's question number C. Here there is a cup in this side and there is a bucket in this side. And which one is heavier? Certainly this bucket is heavier than the cup, and that's why we will match the bucket with this side of the seesaw which has gone down. So we have completed this activity. Now let us read this one. What is written here? Color the one which is lighter. So what we have to do? We have to color the lighter objects. Here number 1, number A, there are two objects. One is a tennis ball and the other one is football. Which one is lighter? Certainly the tennis ball is lighter than the football. So what we have to do? We have to color the tennis ball. Let us color it. Suppose I have colored it. We have colored the tennis ball. Now number B. Here there is a school bag and here there is a geometry box. Which one is lighter? Certainly it is geometry box which is lighter than the school bag. And what we have to do? We have to just color the geometry box. So let us color it. So we have completed all the activities. So that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.